Good morning all. Welcome to MBM classes. Today let us see a construction question of class 10. It goes like this. Let ABC be a right angle triangle in which AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm and angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through B, C and D is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. Now let us see how to do the construction for this question. Step number 1. Construct a right angle triangle where AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm and angle B is equal to 90 degree. So in this scale, first let me draw a line segment. AB is equal to BC is equal to 8 cm. Construct a line segment BC of 8 cm. Now at the point B, construct an angle of 90 degree. You can either construct with compass or protractor. Now let me draw with this scale 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. Now on the 90 degree ray, draw a line segment of 6 cm. So keeping the needle portion at the point B, I am going to cut an arc of 6 cm. And that point is A. Now you join AC. Step number 2. Draw the perpendicular bisector of BC and name the midpoint of BC as E. Now I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. Join these perpendicular bisectors and mark the intersection point as E. So now this E is the midpoint of BC. Now step number 3. With E as center and BE as radius or EC as radius, draw a circle. Now with E as center and EC or EB as radius, draw a circle. Now name this point where the hypotenuse is intersecting the circle as point D. Now you know BC is the diameter of the circle and angles subtended by the diameter on the circle is 90 degree. That is, angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So angle BDC will be equal to 90 degree. You can join BD now. So this angle BDC will be equal to 90 degree because angle in a semicircle is a right angle. BC is the diameter of the circle. So the angle subtended by this diameter on the circle is 90 degree. Step number 4. Join AE and bisect it. So let me join AE. And I am going to bisect AE. Bisecting means drawing the perpendicular bisector. So mark these points nicely so that you will get the midpoint of AE. So this point is midpoint of AE and name this point as F. Now F is the midpoint of AE. F is the midpoint of AE. Now taking FA or FE as radius, draw an circle. I am going to take FA or FE as radius, draw one circle. If you are able to see, the circle will pass through A and B and E. The circle we are going to draw with FA as radius will pass through the point A, will pass to the point B and will pass to the point E. Now, name this point as G. Wherever this circle is intersecting the previous circle, name this point as E, G. Now, join AG. Join AG. So now you are able to see two tangents, that is BG, AB and AG are the two tangents for this circle. Now we have colored with color pencil the tangents drawn from the point A, that is AB and AG. So according to this question, first we have drawn a triangle, right angle triangle, that is ABC, where angle B is equal to 90 degree. Next up, we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of BC and named the midpoint as E. That is, we have found the midpoint of BC. Now with E as center and BE as radius, we have drawn a circle. This circle passes through the point B, C and D. Now angle D will be equal to 90 degree because angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Now you join AE. After joining AE, find out the midpoint of AE. For finding out the midpoint of AE, I had to draw the perpendicular bisector of AE. Let F be the midpoint now. Using AF or FE as radius, we are going to draw one circle. This circle will pass through the point G, E, B and A. Now you join AG. Therefore, AB and AG are the required tangents. Hope you understood this question. Don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. Now do the justification for this tangents, that is showing that AB and AG are the tangents for the circle. For that, let us join AE. For that, let us join GE now. Let us join GE with the dotted lines. You can also use black pen. So I have joined GE. Now for this circle, EG is the radius of the circle. So first what you are going to do, you are going to join GE. So when you join GE, angle AGE will be equal to 90 degree because EG is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle with center E and AG is a tangent. Therefore, angle AGE is equal to 90 degree. As you learned the theorem, radius at the point of contact with the tangent is 90 degree and already angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, AB is perpendicular to BE also. Since BE is the radius of the circle, BE is the radius of the circle with center E. AB has to be the tangent to this circle. AB has to be a tangent of the circle. So now we have proved that both AB and AG are the tangents for this circle. Hope you understood this justification.